Welcome to StarCon International, your go-to source for global updates in just 3 minutes. In today's European Roundup, we cover key movements in stock markets, diplomatic shifts, emerging tech trends, and major economic developments. Plus Europe's growing links with China and India. Let's get into it. European stock markets opened cautiously today. The FTSE 100 held steady as investors digest mixed earnings from the energy sector, while the DAX in Germany dipped slightly due to inflation concerns. Meanwhile, the Euro Stoxx 50 is reacting to the latest ECB rate guidance as expectations for a mid-year rate cut grow stronger. Markets are also watching global cues from the United States and Asia amid shifting trade dynamics and potential impacts from China's recent export policies. In diplomacy, the EU-India Free Trade Agreement talks have gained momentum, with negotiators signaling progress on digital trade and environmental standards, key issues for both sides. This potential deal is seen as a counterbalance to Europe's reduced reliance on China for critical tech and manufacturing. On the other hand, tensions persist between the EU and China over human rights issues and trade subsidies, with Brussels considering tighter trade enforcement measures. On the tech front, France is positioning itself as a European AI powerhouse, with new government grants boosting R&D and data infrastructure. The European Commission is also advancing the AI Act, aiming to regulate the safe use of AI across the bloc. Meanwhile, European companies are strengthening tech ties with India, especially in semiconductors and green technology collaborations. This reflects a broader diversification away from China-dependent supply chains. The European Central Bank held rates steady, but hinted at a possible cut in June, as inflation shows signs of easing, especially in countries like Spain and Italy. However, sluggish growth in Germany and weak manufacturing data continue to weigh on the broader EU outlook. Meanwhile, the bloc is also watching India's economic expansion, which could offer trade opportunities, and China's industrial data, which influences commodity pricing and European exports. That's your European snapshot in 3 minutes. Brought to you by StarCon International. Like, share, and subscribe to stay sharp on global affairs.